Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. The house we have for you today is located in Multiflora Drive, Bagwalk, St. Catherine, and it sits on 152,460 square feet of land and has an amazing peaceful front view of the St. Catherine mountain range. The land is currently utilized by the owner in planting out oranges, pineapples, ackee, coconuts, and other fruits. This spacious house offers a very large kitchen with potential for a breakfast nook, sitting area, formal living area, TV room, Inuit laundry room, and utility room, as well as a bathroom on the ground floor. The upper floor has all four bedrooms and two bathrooms with a beautiful oval balcony facing the mountains. The house comes equipped with an extra large water tank, doubling as a rear ground floor balcony and water pump. Solar water heater is also in place. Wrapping around the front entrance of the house is a koi pond. All you have to do is just add your unique style and touch to make it your own. Other features of this house includes ceramic, wood and marble tiling throughout. There is also garden area, main level entry, family oriented, private setting, quiet area. Acreage and pets are allowed in this area. The current price for this house is Jamaican 40 million or US 255,000. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.